Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your online computers class. Miss Zoya here. Today we are going to perform practical of more pictures of MS Word 2010. Keep your computer book open in front of you. Chapter number 2, while doing practical. So let's start our practical. How to insert a table. Here are two methods available to insert a table. So let's start with the method 1. Open MS Word. Insert a table using method 1. Click on the Insert tab. Now click on Table from Tables group. A drop down menu appears. Select and click the number of boxes you want in your table. How to insert table using method 2. Click the Insert tab. Now from the Tables group, click Table. Choose the option Insert Table. Now put the number of columns and number of rows here and click on OK button. Page 15. How to insert rows and columns in a table. Adding new column in table. Adding a new column. Place the cursor in a table where you want to insert a column. Click the Layout tab. Now choose Insert Right or Insert Left from Rows and Columns group. Choose Insert Right. You can see here an empty column get inserted on the right side. Page 16. Adding new row in a table. To add a new row, follow the given steps. Place the cursor in the table where you want to insert a row. Click the Layout tab. Now choose Insert Above or Below from the Rows and Columns group. A new and empty row is inserted. Page 17. How to delete rows and columns. Deleting a row from a table. To delete a row, follow the given steps. Place the cursor in the row you want to delete. Click the Layout tab. Now choose the option Delete from Rows and Column group. A drop down list appears. Choose Delete Row. The entire row gets deleted. Page 18. Deleting a column from a table. To delete a column, follow the given step. Place the cursor in a column you want to delete. Click the Layout tab. Now choose the Delete option from Rows and Columns group. A drop down list appears. Choose Delete Column. The selected column gets deleted. Page 19. How to merge or split cells. Merging cell. Merging means combining two or more cells together. To merge cells, follow the given steps. Select the cells you want to merge. Click the Layout tab. Now choose option Merge Cells from Merge group. These cells gets merged. Page 20. Splitting cells. Splitting means dividing a single cell into multiple cells. Splitting cells. Select the cells or multiple cells you want to split. Click the Layout tab. Now from the Merge group, click Split Cells. The Split Cells dialog box appears. Type the number of columns and number of rows you want to split and click on OK button. Page 21. How to move and resize a table. Moving a table. Moving a table. Click on the table you want to move. You will see a small plus sign on the upper left corner. Place your mouse pointer over it and drag your table where you want to move it. Page 22. Resizing a table. Resizing a table. Click on the table. You will see a small blank square on the right side. Put your mouse pointer over it. You can see here a double-headed arrow. Drag this sign until you get your required result. Page 22. How to change row height and column width. Changing row height. Changing row height. Select the row whose height you want to change. Click the layout tab. Now click on properties from tables group. Table properties dialog box appear. Click on the row tab. Now click on the specify height checkbox. Choose your required height you want to apply. Now click on OK button. The row height gets changed. Page 23. Changing column width. Changing column width. Select the column whose width you want to change. Click the layout tab. Now from the tables group, click properties. Table properties dialog box appear. Click on the row tab. Now click on the prefer width checkbox. Choose your required height width and click on OK button. Page 24. How to change table styles. To change table styles, follow the given steps. Click in the table. Click the design tab. Now click on more button. A gallery of table styles appear. Choose and click any style you want to apply. Page 26. How to add borders and shading in the table. Adding border in the table. Adding border in the table. Click in the table. Click in the table. Now click on design tab. From the table styles group, click borders. A list appears. Choose borders and shading. Borders and shading dialog box will appear. Choose style, color and width of the border and click on OK button. Page 27. How to apply watermark. To add a picture watermark, open the document. Click the page layout tab. Now from page background group, click watermark. Now click on custom watermark. In the case of picture watermark, click on the picture watermark. Now select your picture. Choose a picture here. Apply your picture. Close it. And you can see here your picture watermark gets inserted behind the document. To add a text watermark, open your document. Now click on the page layout tab. Now from the page background group, click on watermark. Now click on custom watermark. In the case of text watermark, click here, type your text here, and apply. Close it. You can see here your text watermark gets applied. How to print a document? Click on File tab. Now click on Print option. Print dialog box appear. Choose your required option and number of copies and click on OK button. Okay students, do practice for your practical. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.